Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve KSEEB model question paper. This is mathematics model paper number 1. So key answers from 1 to 24. In the previous video, we have solved the questions related to model paper 2, that is key answers from 1 to 24. So model paper 2 1 to 24 questions ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. ಈಗ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 to 24 ಸೊ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 16th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒ ಎ ಬಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಒ ಎ ಬಿನ ಸೊ ನಾನು 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಸೊ ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟು ಅಗರ ಅವೆರಡೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಸಿ ಬಿನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದದು? ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಬಿ ಎ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ is equal to angle CBA. That means AC is equal to BC. So CA ಅಥವಾ AC is equal to BC ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎ ಬಿ is equal to AC ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಸೈಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಸಿ ಬಿ 6 ಸಮ, ಎ ಬಿ ಎ 6 ಸಮ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇದು 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 60 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟು, ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೇಡಿಯೈ ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಒ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180 ಮೈನಸ್ 60, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 120. ಸೊ ಇದು 120 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಒ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಒ ಬಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಲು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಒ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಒ ಬಿ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 by 2, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಒ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. So now let us move for model question paper 1. That is, let us solve the questions from 1 to 24 in this video. The first question of model paper 1 is the HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 to the power of 5 into 5 is dash anta kottidare. So let us move for question model paper number 1. So first question ige barana, first main. So what they have given, so 5 to the power of 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 5 into 5. So HCF ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2 ಮತ್ತು 2 to the power of 5 ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 5 to the power of 2 into 5 ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 into 5 become 10. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇದಿದೆ 2 into 5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 5 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಇಲ್ಲ 10 ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ 2 into 5 ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 2 into 5 is the answer. So let us move for question number 2. So let us move for the question number 2. The sum of the first n natural numbers is, so n natural numbers, so option C, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula to calculate the sum of the first n natural numbers. So that is option C, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now let us move for question number 3. So question number 3 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? In a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Which of the following situation cannot arise ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಸೊ cannot arise ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನು, ಸೊ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನು, ಸೊ a1/a2 ಇದು ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅರೈಸ್. a1/a2, b1/b2, c1/c2. So this cannot arise. So option D, a1 is equal to a2, b1 is equal to b2, and c1 is equal to c2. Now let us move for question number 4. The number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x. So number of 0 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros is option B 3. So fourth question, option B 3. So now let us move for question number 5. x into x plus 2 is equal to 6 is a dash ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. x into x plus 2 is equal to 6. x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x is equal to 6. So highest degree 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so it is option B, that is a quadratic equation. This can be written as x square plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Now let us move for question number 6. So question number 6 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. In triangle PQR, in figure, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. The pair of corresponding sides of the following is dash ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us solve this question now. So here among these four options, so ಇವೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. Now let us move for question number 7. In the question number 7 they have given sin square a minus cos square a is equal to dash ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us move for 7th question. So sin square a minus cos square a. So now let us see what will be sin square a minus cos square a. So now sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a. So 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a minus 2 cos square a. So option B, 1 minus 2 cos square a is option B. Now let us move for question number 8. And this is the last question of that is model paper 1 MCQ. So the sum of the probability of an elementary events of a random experiment. The sum of the probability ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ of all elementary events of a random experiment is dash. So ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0, 1/2, 1 and -1. So sum of the probability of all elementary events ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So for this one let us see among these four options. So that is PA plus P of A bar, that is equal to 1. So for the question number 8, the right option is option C, 1. So now let us move for question number 9. So find the value of B if the pair of linear equation 2x plus by is equal to 8 and 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 as infinite solution. So infinite solution in the sense they are coincident. So in the 9th question they have given 2x plus by is equal to 8. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Then 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y is equal to 16. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So infinite ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಯೇನೆ a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. So a1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2, divided by a2 ಅಂದರೆ 4 is equal to b1 ಅಂದರೆ b divided by b2 ಅಂದರೆ 6. 2 ones are 2 twos, 2 ones are 2 threes. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ b is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3, b ones are b. Now let us move for question number 10. So in the question number 10 they have given, write the degree of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square plus 12x minus 8. So degree of the polynomial, the highest degree is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Now let us move for question number 11. If sin a is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos a is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of tan a. So tan a andre sin a by cos a. So sin a divided by cos a. So sin a andre root 3 by 2 divided na reciprocal ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. 1 by 2 become 2 by 1. So 2 cancel ಆಯಿತು. So sin a by cos a is tan a is equal to root 3. Now let us move for question number 12. Write the empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. So 12th one relation ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Let us move for question number 13. So in the question number 13 they have given, express the quadratic equation x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by x in the standard form. So let us express it in the standard form. X plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 by x. So cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, x into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2. X into x, x square, x into 1, 1x is equal to 6. So x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Now let us move for question number 14. So find the distance of the point 6, 8 from the origin. So they are given 6, 8. This is x and y. So d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So d is equal to square root of 6 square plus 8 square. So d is equal to square root of 36 plus 64. So d is equal to square root of 100. So d is equal to 10 units. Now let us move for question number 15. In the figure, triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. So PQ parallel to SR. If PQ is to SR is equal to 1 is to 2, then find OS is to OQ. So PQ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So PQ is to SR is equal to ಇದು 1 ಇದು 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೀಗ OS is to OQ ratio ಬೇಕು. So let us find it now. So both the triangles, triangle OPQ and triangle OSR, both are similar triangle they have given in the question. So corresponding sides na ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PQ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So PQ by SR ಅದರದ್ದು ಅವರೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1:2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ it will become 1/2. So ಈಗ PQ divided by SR is equal to, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ರೇಷಿಯೋನ OS is to SQ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ OS is to SQ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OQ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ OS ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/2. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ OQ by OS is equal to 1/2 ಬಂತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ OS by OQ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2/1. Therefore OS is to OQ is equal to 2:1. So this is for 15th one. Now let us move for 16th question. So let us move for 16th one. The circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. The circumference of the base ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅಂದರೆ circumference ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is given 44 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So r is equal to 44 into 7 divided by 22. 2 is a 44. 44 44 cancel. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Height is equal to 10 centimeter. Or even ಇದನ್ನ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 pi r h. 2 pi r ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್, ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 pi r ಅಂದರೆ 44 ಇಂಟು 8 ಅಂದರೆ 10. So curved surface area is equal to 44 tens of 440 centimeter square. Instead of finding radius, directly we can do it. So next let us move for 2 marks question. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So let us move for third main question number 17. So let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is rational. So 3 plus root 5 is equal to p by q. So root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. So root 5 is equal to, so if you take q as LCM, p minus 3q divided by q. So p minus 3q by q is rational. Therefore root 5 is also rational. So this contradiction arisen because of our wrong assumption root 5 is not rational. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Now let us move for question number 18. In the 18th, question number 18. What is a composite number? Which of the composite number among 23 and 24? So let us see which is what is a composite number? A number other than a prime number. So prime number alla avella composite number. A number other than a prime number. Which is the composite among 23 and 24? So 24 is a composite number because 23 is a prime number. Now let us move for 19th question. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 3 and 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So 18th R question, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. It states that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors apart from the order Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique, apart from the order in which the prime factor in which the prime factors occur. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factor, and this factorization is unique from the order in which the prime factor occurs. Apart from the order in which the prime factor occurs. So in that one more question is there. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So we can write 21, because 21 can be written as 3 into 7, where 3 and 7 are the only prime factor. Even we can write 63, which can be written as 3 to the power of 2 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Even we can write 147, which can be written as 3 into 7 square. 49 threes are 140. Then even we can write 441, which can be written as 3 square into 7 square. 49 nines will become 441. So like this we can write. So these are all. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ they are all prime numbers. They are all composite numbers. 21, 63, 147, then 441. They are all composite numbers. So now let us move for question number 19. Find the 21st term of an arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 using formula. So let us answer for 19th one. So 5, 9, 13, a is equal to 5, d is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, n is equal to 21, a21 is equal to question mark. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, an andre 21 is equal to a andre 5 plus 21 minus 1 into d andre 4. A21 is equal to 5 plus, so 21 minus 1 is 20 into 4. A21 is equal to 5 plus 80. Therefore, A21 is equal to 85. So now let us move for 20th question. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So let us take the A2 equation. X plus y is equal to 4, equation 1. 2x plus y is equal to 6, equation 2. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ y ಇದೆ. So equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1, x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to 6. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Plus y minus y. Minus 2x plus 1x is minus x. Minus x. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So minus minus cancel. X is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus 2. Y is equal to 2. Now let us move for question number 21. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0 has two equal roots, then find the equation. Find the equation b is lesser than 1. So they are given x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. So let us compare to standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to B is equal to B, then C is equal to 9. So delta is equal to, roots are equal, delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. So delta is 0 is equal to B square minus 4 into A andre 1, C andre 9. So B square minus the 4 9s are 36 is equal to 0. So B square is equal to 36. B is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. So B is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಒಂದು, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 6. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಲೆಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಇರುವಂತಹ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. So x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now let us move for question number 22. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point A 1 comma minus 3 and B 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally anta ide. So let us answer this question now. So AB is a line segment which has been divided in the ratio m1 is to m2, that is 3:1. So section formula Px comma y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So px comma y, we don't know what is the coordinate of px comma y, is equal to 3 into x2 8 plus m2 1 into x1 1 divided by 3 plus 1 comma m1 3 into y2 5 plus m2 1 into y1 minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 8s are 24 plus 1 by 4 comma 3 5s are 15 minus 3 divided by 4. So that is equal to P 25 by 4 comma 12 by 4. Therefore the coordinates of P is 25 by 4 comma 4 1s are 4 3s, 1s are 3s. So it will be 25 by 4 comma 3. Now let us move for question number 23. So question number 23 they have given in the figure xy is a tangent at the point P to a circle with center O. Q is point on xy. Show that OQ is greater than OP. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದು O, ಇದು center of the circle is O. So tangent is x y, ಇದು P, ಇದು Q. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ O R ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ O Q ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸೊ ಓ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಓ ಆರ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂಗಿನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಓ ಆರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓ ಆರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಓ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ. ದೆನ್ ಓ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು, ಓ ಆರ್ ಅಂದ್ರು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಓ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಓ ಆರ್. ಇಫ್ ಓ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಓ ಪಿ ಓ ಆರ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಓ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಇಫ್ ಓ ಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಓ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಓ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂಗಿನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಓ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್ ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇಟ್. ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಓ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಒ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. So let us move for the last question of 2 marks of model paper 1. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So toy the total surface area find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ. ಟಾಯ್ದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 15.5. ಇದ್ರ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೈಟ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಹೈಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 15.5ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 3.5, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕೋನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಕೋನ್ದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು 3.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಹೈಟು ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಹೈಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. L is equal to square root of 3.5 whole square plus 12 square. So L is equal to square root of 12.25 plus 144. So slant height is equal to 156.25 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So slant height. So L is equal to, so it will be equal to 12.5. So 12.5 centimeter is the slant height. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟಾಯ್. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ LSA ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ LSA ಆಫ್ ಎಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. So total surface area is equal to LSA of a cone, it will be pi RL plus LSA of a hemisphere 2 pi r square. So total surface area is equal to pi r common ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ L plus 2r. So total surface area is equal to, so pi 22/7 into radius 3.5, slant height to 12.5 plus 2 into radius is 3.5. 1 2 1 11. So total surface area is equal to 11 into, so ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 7 ಆಯಿತು. So it will be 19.5. So total surface area is equal to, so ಇದು 7 plus 12.5, 11 5s are 55, 5 carry, 11 9s are 99 plus 5 104, 4 10 carry, 11 ones are 11 plus 10. So it will be equal to 214.5 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the toy. So now let us solve the last question, that is internal choice question. The volume of the sphere is 439.3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. So the volume given, so volume is equal to 539/3 centimeter cube. We have to find out the surface area. So surface area na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us find it now. So volume ಗೆ formula 4/3 pi r cube is equal to 539/3. So 3 cancel ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಉಳಿಯೋದು 4 into 22/7 into r cube is equal to 539. So r cube is equal to 539 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. So first let us find the radius. So r cube is equal to, so if you multiply, uh, so if we simplify this one, we will get 42.93. R is equal to cube root of 42.93. So R is equal to cube root of 42.93 is 3.5 centimeter. So this is the radius. Now let us find out the surface area. So A is equal to 4 pi r square. A is equal to 4 into 22 by 7. This is approximate I have written, into 3.5 into 3.5. So 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So area is equal to 44 into 3.5. So area will be equal to, if you multiply 44 into 3.5, we will get 153.94 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the sphere. So like this we have to answer this question. By this we have answered all the questions related to that is 1 marks and 2 marks of model paper 1, so which has been released by KSEEB. So let us in the next video let us answer for 3, 4 and 5 marks questions. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thank you very much.